Our business is very cost-driven, so the customer is expecting us to deliver faster, to deliver cheaper. We have to change how we do things, how we engineer, how we make projects and products.
With generative design technology and advanced simulation, the collection helps engineers explore more possibilities to discover an even better version of their product.
Before Autodesk Generative Design, the optimization process took several weeks, even months. Now, with Autodesk Generative Design, it took us half a day.
Consider all design alternatives.
Product design is a very iterative process, and being able to go back and change things so quickly really set Inventor apart for us.
Identify potential issues before they are real-world problems.
The biggest challenge in engineering a rocket is keeping the weight down. You know, you're trying to contain a 6,000 degree gas, and you're trying to do it with the absolute minimum amount of material that you can. So if you mess up the engineering or the construction of it even a little bit, you're very quickly cutting into your payload.
Having these modern tools allow us to do the interference check, understanding the mechanism to make sure that we don't have any critical mistakes made at the early stage of the design.
We can do all that clash checking, make sure that things don't hit each other. We do all our tracking. We can find an issue, we can tag it, and we can label it, and we know we've got an issue we've got to go back and solve.
Right here, yeah. Right, and then the motor will go down there.